Congratulations, Jess. I'm so proud of you. I miss you. I love you very much. Sana, pag nagtagumpay ka, alagaan mo, mami mo, daddy mo, lalo na lolo mo. Sa mga kapatid mo, lalo na si Elia. Hindi sila pamamayaan. I love you, Jess.
Congratulations, Josh. It's a well-deserved success. I wish you good luck on your next adventure. And you know we're very proud of you. Congratulations again.
Bye.
Bye.
Congratulations, Josh. Hi, Josh. We, the Santos family, would like to greet you, and we're so happy and so proud of your achievement. So we'd like to start with Ate Eloise. Ate Eloise, go ahead.
Hi Josh, congratulations on your graduation and best wishes on your next adventure.
Hi Josh, congratulations, you made it. We're so proud of you. You keep it up and God bless.
Hi Josh, Tita Dali, congratulations and wishing you much success and as you pursue your goals and dreams, and you made it again.
Congratulations, Josh, and good luck on your life.
Okay, so Josh, I just have a piece of advice. I know your parents, Eileen and Leonard, are so happy with this achievement. This is a new milestone, not only for you, but for the family. So, even for us here in Manila, in the Philippines, we're happy and so proud for that achievement that you got. My advice is not just to follow your dreams. You have to work for it. Work hard for it. Because if not, it will just be a dream. Make your dream a reality. And always give thanks to God Almighty. Congratulations. Bye.
Hi,
Josh. Congratulations on graduating from college. What a great accomplishment. We are sending hugs and kisses your way. We love you and we miss you.
Hey Josh, congratulations. You had a dream and your mission is achieved. That's a great job for you. It's amazing. I really want to congratulate you and your family.
All right, Josh. We love you again and have an awesome time celebrating. Bye.
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 Hey Josh, I want to congratulate you on your wonderful achievement of graduating from UNLV. It's pretty crazy how time flies. I remember meeting you in 2015 back at the thrift store when YO started. You were always a pretty reserved guy, quiet, but very focused. And some of my fondest memories really was listening to you play and just having you in the program. You're one hell of a musician, but more so, really phenomenal human being. So I believe that you're going to achieve great things. Without a doubt, I've seen you set your mind to something and really go for it and achieve them. And I feel that you're going to do great things in life. You're going to be a wonderful member of our society. And I have nothing but the best wishes for your continued success. Have Leonard treat you to a nice restaurant for all of the time and work and energy you put in for the last several years of coming out and recording YO concerts, okay? So make sure, Leonard, you treat him to a nice meal. Okay, congrats, Josh.
Hi, Joshua, congratulations. We're so very proud of you. Graduating Summa Cum Laude is a huge accomplishment. We wish you all the best.
Hello, Joshua. Congratulations.
Hello, Joshua. Congratulations on your graduation day.
Hi, Joshua. Congratulations. It's your Auntie Chiki.
Hi, Joshua. It's your grandma, Delia. How are you? I've heard about your graduation and I'm so proud of you. You're able to finish it with high honors. Oh, that's something to be you should be really proud of yourself. My wish for you is I hope that this degree that you have now that you are going to receive is just the foundation of many accomplishments that is coming to you because of your hard work. Many wishes and the best of luck on your graduation and many years ahead to come. Just a note that your accomplishment of to have a college degree is an honor to have, and it is yours forever. Most of all, I am so proud of you. I know your Grandpa Gene, he is out there looking at you, and I know he's laughing and smiling because he is the kind of a person who values education. That's how he is. And on top of that, your Grandpa Gene is just so intelligent, just like you. Anyway, send me some pictures of your graduation day, and again, be proud of yourself. My goodness, you're graduating with honors, Summa Cum Laude, and you are in top of 1% of your class. What a great achievement and accomplishment. And this honor is due to your hard work. And then again, I am so proud of you. I wish you all the best of luck, and I'm hoping that you and I can have a good conversation again. It makes me so happy to be able to talk to you. And who knows, we have just not been being able to go to see you for many years, but because of good reasons too. Anyway, thanks again, and have a good time tomorrow, and see you hopefully sometimes in the future. Okay, again, this is your grandma. Thank you, Joshua. I am so happy and so proud of you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kuya. I'm really proud of you. Congrats on everything. I'm excited to see where you go, and I look up to you a lot. So I'm really proud that you're moving forward. Congrats again. Bye.
Congratulations, Josh.
Congratulations, Josh.
I wish you all the best. We're always here to support you. We love you, we miss you, and hope to see you guys soon.
Great job.
Hi, Kuya Josh. Congratulations on graduating, and I'm happy you're doing so well. I hope to see you again sometime. Bye.
Congratulations, Josh, for graduating Summa Cum Laude. Your parents must be floating in the air or on the clouds. Same thing with you. Everyone in the family is proud of you. What an achievement. May all your dreams come true. Good luck to you.
Congratulations, Josh.
Hi, Josh. We haven't met yet, but I hope to see you soon.
Good luck and keep it up. Hi to everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Josh. We want to just say as a family,
Congratulations!
No parting wisdoms from me or no special quotes. I just want to say we really are proud of you, and this is just the first of many achievements you'll have in your life, and we really wish we could be there to celebrate with you, but hopefully after this we get together up again. We wish you well, and we love you. Bye.
Bye.
Congratulations, Tito John.
Rylan, you too. Say
Congratulations. Teacher Josh. Do it again?
Just kidding.
Congratulations, Josh. I'm so proud of you. Love you.
Congratulations, Josh. I'm so proud of you for graduating college. Okay?
Hi, Josh. Congratulations on graduating on top of your class. Good job.
Hi, Josh. Congratulations. Congratulations also to the parents. Job well done, and good luck to the future. Congrats again.
Bye.
Hey Josh, aloha. Congratulations on your major accomplishment. Summa cum laude, very impressive. I know your parents are so proud. I'm also very proud of you. Keep reaching for the stars. They're yours. Love you. Aloha.